Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling developer options and USB debugging. This is required. Plug the device into your computer and install ADB if you haven't already. Then run a DB devices to confirm a USB connection. Once done, accept the RSA authorization prompt on the phone so the host key is trusted. This initial USB handshake is the only reliable way to establish the secure pairing needed for wireless debugging because it exchanges the credentials the device will accept. Now move to wireless. Enable wireless debugging in developer options or open the Android Studio pairing dialog. If your device supports TCP/IP mode, you can run a DB TCP/IP 5555 while still connected. More commonly, use the pairing code or scan the QR code shown in settings to pair over Wi-Fi. Make sure the device and computer are on the same network. Once a DB devices lists the device with an IP or pairing token, disconnect the USB cable and keep Wi-Fi active. To finish, connect from your computer using a DB Connect IP 5555 or complete the Android Studio pairing. Once connected, deploy and test. If the connection drops or fails, reattach USB, revoke USB debugging authorizations, restart the ADB server with a DB kill server and a DB start server, then reauthorize the host and repeat pairing. Make sure the phone isn't on a captive portal and prefer a clean 5 GHz network or a direct hotspot for better latency. This resolves most persistent wireless debugging issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.